Alright guys, so today I got a new Xiaomi TV Box S third generation 4K Ultra. So let's see what's new. So they have quad core, 32GB, and the old one is I think 8GB. So 22GB you can install more app, install games. Later maybe I'll try out lah. But today we just do unboxing. So they have Wi-Fi 6, Dolby Vision, Atmos, HDR. So what they say, what's inside the box? The TV box, the remote control, HDMI cable, and a power adapter. Okay, let's see what's behind. Google TV, OK Google, and Google Cast. Alright, okay, now let's open this. Okay, let's be gentle. The overall feel of the box is quite nice. So let's pull it out. Okay, I put it here. Okay, so here is the box. Okay, this is quite small, quite light. Let me see. This is maybe about 200 grams. Quite decent. They have a plastic wrapping for it. Right, let me take it out. Okay, let's see what I/O they have. So they have HDMI, USB, and the power. So it's not the USB-C, it's the round power supply. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, what's in the box? Okay, let's pull it out. So they have the user manual. No, this is the user manual. Decent. I think most probably there's English and Chinese. And this is a charging cable. Let me see. Yeah, this. Okay, here. Then HDMI. I think this is about 1.2 meter. Yeah. Usually Xiaomi give quite good cable. And then finally we have the remote. The standard remote. Power, voice, up, down, big button, home, back, Xiaomi TV Plus, Netflix, YouTube, Prime, and apps. And the audio, volume control, up and down. So let's open this. So they use 2 AAA battery. Batteries are not included. So today's video is not about testing. I think I'll do the next testing one. So the overall build quality is quite decent. So the price that I purchased was $239 from the Xiaomi shop. So if those is interested, yeah, you can go and check it out. Alright, that's all. So if you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up, comment. Let me see what I can actually share with you. Thanks guys.